Hello there, this is Alana Tucky, lead faculty for Math 133, and I'm going to be guiding you through some of the important pieces you'll need for your next project in Math 133, i.e. the Infant Mortality and Life Expectancy project. All right, so let's begin. Again, we're going to use Gapminder, which is a revolutionary site changing how many people across the globe work with data. We're going to download 2 data sets here into one Excel workbook, so it's going to be a little bit trickier for the download. So let's see how this goes. So we're going to go to gapminder.com. We're going to click on data, and in the search bar we're going to type infant, and we're going to locate and click on an Excel download for infant mortality. All right. And just on a side note, it's probably a wise idea to have Excel open before you even try to download. So just click on it. In your down corner, I have it right here. I have Excel 2010, but you can type Excel down here in the search bar and find it. That's another way. Okay. Gapminder's right here. And this is what it looks like. I click on data. And again, you don't need that big URL. That's what you'll get if you type gapminder.org. It'll just pop up that. And then I go to data right here. And then I'm over here in the search bar, infant. Oop, and there it is, infant mortality. Right over here is the Excel download. So I click on that. And you wait. And there it is. Now, it downloaded for me, and I could see it real quickly because of the way Google Chrome works. If you're in Internet Explorer or if you're in Firefox, it might look slightly different. But basically, you're downloading a file onto your computer, and then you want to open it up. And then when I open it, it says, with my version of Excel, it says it's in this protected view. Because it came from an internet location, it might not be safe, so they want you to basically give it the okay to work with it. So you can click on this little guy right here, Enable Editing. There it is. Now you've got it. All right, so that's the first one we've downloading. And then I'm going to go back to here. I'm going to type, oops, what was the other one? Life expectancy. So I'm going to type life expectancy. Life expect, there. That's all you really need. And you want this one, the life expectancy parentheses years. So you go over here to the little Excel download, you click on it. And Chrome is really nice because it'll show you in the bottom left corner that it's downloaded it. Again, Firefox, it'll have kind of a window that says recent downloads. Internet Explorer, I don't really know because I haven't used Internet Explorer in a long time, but you'll be able to find them. So I clicked on it, and then if I go to Excel, there it is. And again, I want to enable my editing. Bing. There it is. All right. So I've downloaded both files. Now those are both temporary files. They're not my files. They're indicator life expectancy and indicator Gapminder infant mortality. We're going to change all that up in a bit. All right, so let's go back. We have downloaded our Excel spreadsheets. We are going to merge those 2 spreadsheets into one. All right, so that's what we're going to do. But first, we only want to consider the data for our birth year. So you want to delete all the columns for every year other than your birth. So I'm going to go back in, and again, I've enabled my editing, and I'm going to pretend that I was born in 2005. So you use whatever birth year you've got. If you want to lie about your birth year, that's up to you. If you don't want your instructor to know right away, that's your call. So I'm going to delete, and there I've got 2005. And I'm going to do it to the other one as well. So so what I'm doing, in case you're wondering, I'm going up so that my little arrow faces down like that. See how if I move my mouse up, it kind of does that? I left click, I hold it down, and I go right, and I just kind of keep dragging it to the right and keeps grabbing all these columns. And I don't want any of them. So I keep grabbing. There we go. And I right click on the part I just shaded, and I delete. Then they're gone. I'm going to do it over here as well. I click and grab, right click, delete. So there you go. So now I've got, this is the life expectancy in one spreadsheet, and I've got the infant mortality in the other spreadsheet, and they are for the same year, right? And it should be the year of your birth, which hypothetically is the same year that you used for your previous project. All right, I'll stop it here, and I'll pick it up next time with merging them into one file. See you then.